So VxWorks 7 Plus is a new age real-time operating system platform that leverages the best of the capabilities from its predecessor, yet offers a lot of extremely important features, be it in terms of safety or in terms of security, for anybody wanting to build safety critical systems. So when we set out to build VxWorks 7, we had a few things in mind as business problems or customer issues that we want to address. So number one is cycle time reduction. So in today's world, when you look at how our customers build devices, every customer has this challenge of platforms being scattered. When I say platforms being scattered, they don't have standardized platforms on which they could build a variety of their devices, right? All of the different families of their devices. And we looked at it and said, what if we are able to solve this problem, right? So thereby, they can have one common platform on which they can standardize. And when they set out to build new devices, obviously they can leverage a lot of things that has been already built on it and move forward at a much rapid pace compared to starting off on a new platform altogether. The second problem that we wanted to address is affordability. Right? So everybody is under the pressure to reduce costs, and we are sensitive to it, right? And when we looked at it and said, yes, customers can have a variety of technologies from Windriver, but then what if we're able to combine all of them and provide a scalable platform that can scale across all the way from really small applications to large applications. Okay? And the third one is when our customers build safety critical, life critical devices, they need to be compliant to certain safety and security standards. Right? And our objective was to provide them a single platform that could conform to a variety of safety standards, be it the industrial safety or the aviation safety, which are respectively the IEC 61508 or the DO 178B level C, the level A, right? So our goal was to create one platform that could address the safety needs of different vertical markets. So with that said, so VxWorks 7 Plus was born, and then the idea was to address the requirements of multiple vertical markets, including aerospace and defense, industrial automation, medical, network and telecom, to an extent even the automotive space. Okay, and our approach to solving these business problems was that we looked at it and said, so what would be those ingredients that will solve these business problems in the most efficient fashion? The first thing that came to our mind, and obviously that resonated with our customers, was that the whole architecture needs to be absolutely modular and upgradable, because things are moving at such a pace where people want to upgrade stuff on the fly. As even once it's deployed, people want to go ahead and add new functionalities to the deployed devices. They want it to be IoT ready, right? And that's when we said we need to adapt an architecture that is highly modular and upgradable. After doing that, one thing that we did not want to compromise on was obviously the high reliability and the performance that VxWorks offers. So we had to keep that in mind as well. The third thing, like I emphasized, the whole focus was on safety and security. And we had to build something that is in line with those expectations. And around it, add some capabilities to virtualize. Thereby, you're able to offer a scalable platform that can scale all the way to a single function device, to a multi-function device, to a multi-tenant device, all the way to a multi-platform device. Now, what that means is if I want a single function device, let's say, for example, a single function device could be a pacemaker, right? A small device. Whereas a multi-function or a multi-platform device is something where in a big industrial automation setup, if you want to consolidate the HMI and the control system onto a single hardware platform, which are based on disparate operating systems because of legacy reasons, we had to provide them a solution with which they could achieve that goal. And VxWorks 7 Plus very well addresses that piece with the virtualization profile, where people could easily take their legacy systems, no matter if it is based on Linux or Windows, and then simply bring all of them together on a single hardware platform, and yet host them reliably and operate them in the most efficient fashion. Okay. So this is how we looked at the business problems. Then we said, okay, what requirements can really address those business problems? And we set out to build VxWorks. And today, we are extremely happy to say that VxWorks comes with all of these capabilities with a broad set of rich user interface options, broad connectivity options because it's IoT ready, and obviously conforms with all of the safety and security standards that the industry expects across multiple vertical markets.